Hey, what's up, my G? I'm Kid Clean, aka Superstar Trap Boy. You are welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Yeah, in this video, I'll be giving you the tutorial step by step on how to blog your music for free. Blog your music on a website for free. If you're interested in the video, let's get into it right now.
Okay, I'll be launching my browser. I use the Chrome app. Okay. I'll always advise you to change your website to the desktop site by clicking over here. Click here, change it to desktop site. Can you see desktop site over here? Desktop site. Oh, sorry. Desktop site over here. Click on that. And now search for mdundo.com. mdundo.com. Now you scroll down, go down to the last button. As you can see, I'm a musician. Log in or sign up. Click on that. Now you click on upload song over here. Yeah, click on that. Upload song. Now you choose the file you want to upload. Choose file. Download. Okay, now I'll be choosing my file, and yeah, it's uploading. Okay, now I'll input the song title. let me see the song title is Christmas song. How about that? Yeah, select album. No, I don't want to create a new album. It's an album. Click on create new album. Production year, let me say 2021. Production owner, just come up with my name, the name I used to sign up earlier. Author, owner of the lyrics, still mine. Composer, owner of the composition, still mine. Copyright owner, still mine. And release date, you can just plan your release. Maybe it should be 2 weeks later or 1 week. Let me just say release date 2021 12/31. Now my lyrics contain explicit, so I'll click on this parental advisory. Track type, it's an original. Track genre, let me choose hip hop rap. Make sure you click on I agree to content provider over here. Okay, now click on that. I click on save. Uploading new song, saving, please wait. And like boom, the song has uploaded already. You can see it over here. Has uploaded. Can you see that? Has uploaded already. Christmas song uploaded. Yeah, that's how to go about it. And you're about to upload a new song again, you have to click on upload new song. If you think you don't understand the video, you can go back and watch it over watch again so you can understand it right. Make sure you follow my steps the way I did it. Follow it step by step. Thanks for watching the video.